said?
What this area?
Yeah.
Cinque Terre.
Cinque Terre.
Which is the Italian Riviera.
Riviera. Oh. Okay. Roads are quite rough, overgrown.
Another perfect day in paradise. Yeah, the grass is green, the trees are high, and so am I. Come aquí enshrouded in fog. Usually means there's good surf if there's fog. Yeah. Probably only because no one knows, they haven't been there yet, they haven't seen. You pedal out into a mist like that, you don't know what you're going to get. It's a bonus if there's a wave, so it's a nice mystery spot.
We're in deep forest. Sounds of a kids' athletics day behind me. Athletics for a school. There's the lads negotiating our next move. Quite paradisiac here. Temperature's about 25, humidity is over 100. Warm. We're in England. Let's go and have a look out there, shall we?